In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to connect the Epson L15150 printer to your mobile phone using Wi-Fi Direct easily and quickly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, go to the printer settings and open the General Settings option. Now open the Network Settings option. Now open the Wi-Fi Setup option. Here you will see two options. One is Router Mode, which connects through a Wi-Fi router, and the other is Wi-Fi Direct, which allows direct connection to your phone or device without needing a router. Open the Wi-Fi Direct option and tap Start Setup to enable Wi-Fi Direct. Now Wi-Fi Direct is enabled. To see its Wi-Fi name and password, simply tap the Change option. To view or change the password, tap Change Password. You can easily set your own password. For example, we set it from 1 to 8 to make it simple and easy to connect. Now take your phone, open Wi-Fi settings, and you will easily see the printer name in the list. Tap on it and enter the password to connect to the printer. Now you can print your files and photos directly from your gallery or file manager. However, the best way to print is by using the Epson iPrint app, because it offers faster printing speed and many advanced settings. You can find the download link in the video description. Connecting the app to the printer is very simple. Just follow the step-by-step instructions shown in the video guide. Now that the app is connected, simply select your file or photo, adjust the settings if needed, and tap the Print option. In the settings, you can easily choose the number of copies, print quality, paper type, tray selection, and paper size. It works like a computer but simpler and faster for printing. That is it for this video. Wi-Fi Direct is a very useful feature because it lets you connect your Epson L15150 printer directly to your phone without any router or internet. It makes printing faster, easier, and more convenient anywhere. Also, the Epson iPrint app gives you more control and advanced settings like print quality, copies, paper size, and tray selection, all from your mobile phone in a simple way. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.